y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi honey, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get this channel to 500 subscribers, and if you are returning, I want to thank you so much for rocking with me. I really appreciate it. Now I know y'all saw that wig looking a mess. I brushed it out so I can get it ready for the silicone and boiling water solution that I found on TikTok. Honey, if I can save a coin, I'm all for it. So when I saw this on TikTok, I had to try it. I'm tired of buying wigs. I'm just tired. All right, so of course you gotta mix the silicone mix in the boiling water, and that's what I'm about to do right now with this regular little spoon that I have in the kitchen. So easy, y'all, so easy. This water is boiling, okay? This wig would just frizz up, and it's just like, I hated it. Like, it wasn't that it was nappy, it would just frizz up, y'all, like randomly, and it's just so, I couldn't stand it. So let's dip that wig in this boiling water so it can be saved, okay? And make sure you get sis all the way in there. Like, that hair need to be in that water, submerged all the way in that water. Don't miss a thread of hair, okay? Use a spoon if you got to get that hair all the way in there, which I recommend, because girl, that water was so hot, honey. I had to turn it off because it was just too much going on. So I let that sit. I turned the water off first. So make sure you turn that water off, y'all. See, look at that, all the way in there. I was not playing, okay? Now set that timer for 10 minutes. You don't want to burn that hair, okay? And look at that, look how it look. I was scared, y'all. All right, so now I'm pouring it out in the sink. Be careful, y'all, because that water is playing no games, okay? Boiling water ain't nothing to play with. That joint is hot. All right, now I'm gonna wash my hair with that Jaz'Men keratin treatment, conditioner and shampoo. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's all that. I use it because that's what I have, and I want the hair to be straight. So I just figured, why not use the keratin treatment shampoo that I already have at home, you know? But before I apply that, I gotta make sure I wash the stuff out this hair because I'm trying to clean it. So having that extra stuff in there, I don't think that'll do no justice. So I'm just trying to get all that out. All right, girls, so now it's time to detangle. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit scared because I thought the brush was just gonna run smooth through. You know, it was giving me a little problem. And I know when people detangle, they usually start from the bottom, but I like to start from the top. I don't know why I always did that, but I just feel like Starting at the top, I get the naps to go towards the bottom, and then I brush the bottom, if that makes sense. That's just my process, but y'all keep watching, girl. Keep watching. Now look at her. Look, acting right, y'all. When I washed that conditioner out, like, I don't know, I can just see the shine already. Like, I was just feeling so hopeful because it was just giving what I thought it would give already, and the thing wasn't even dry yet. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and blow dried it off camera, and look at that shine. Like, I didn't add nothing to this, okay? I didn't flat iron it yet, nothing. It's just blow dried, and look how it's shining. Like, that is crazy. So I'm gonna part it, and then I'm gonna flat iron it, and we're gonna see how this looks, because right now it's looking so nice. And boom, girl, look at that. Look, still nothing added. Look at her, okay? Look at her. But I just felt weird not having nothing on the wig, so of course I had to add a little something, Garnier, I think that's what it's called. But I kind of regret doing that because y'all gonna see in a minute. Y'all gonna see. At this moment, I knew I messed up because first she was giving sleek and shiny. Now she just giving oily, too much oil, girl. Your weave gonna be stiff, okay? But it's still, I wouldn't say it's stiff. It's still nice. It's giving body yaddy yaddy, but girl, I didn't need to add nothing. So you can skip this step. It's a miracle. Look at that before. Oh my gosh, it's a miracle. So those are my little braids that I use to put my wig on. Not always, but when I'm feeling lazy, girl, anybody got time to be doing all them braids? I don't feel like it, okay? All right, so let me put this wig on so I can be feeling myself. Let's see how she look. look when you realize you saved yourself hundreds of dollars by boiling your wig, okay? As you can tell by the excessive amount of hair flips, clearly I like my hair, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I recommend that you try it, girl. Bye!